7x12 Cargo Conversion Series, Step 5. Enhancing camper ambience with LEDs and magnetic dimmers. My friends, welcome to the Adventures of Wander. If you haven't done it yet, click on the subscribe button to show the support for my channel. Take advantage right now, meanwhile it's free. Thank you so much. In this fifth step of the cargo conversion series, I am giving a nice ambience touch early in the build, and it is cheap too. This video is about lighting only. Later on I will describe what I use for power and the whole electricity wiring connection if it's applicable. In this video I started putting LED string lights, and I got a lot of comments by bystanders or third parties that most of it will be covered if I was planning on doing a kitchen or cabinets. And yes, it might be truth, but if it is covered by a kitchen cabinet, then I have lights already inside of it. Since it would be silly, I don't know, maybe just me, it would be dumb to have the back end or the top of an upper cabinet when I have the plywood from the camper wall or the ceiling. I can need to use the camper and save on weight. Anyway, I had the lights and the time, and why not? I started putting the lights counterclockwise, and at this point I finished one lap, and guess what? I like it, and I'm gonna start doing it now clockwise, so it has 2 rounds. It's gonna have 2 rounds of LED lights. The lights are operated by remote control. You have 7 different colors and like 4 different combinations. I really like it a lot. And but hit me up in the comments if you need more details, and I'll send you the link. And look at this. It tunes down the cargo title more to a homey level, regardless of the big mess I have here. Lastly, I got some magnetic wireless LED dim lights. They come in 8 inches and in 14 inches versions. They are USB rechargeable, and I can move them anywhere I want. In combo with the LED strip, they will give an upgraded ambience tone to my home, and this can set my mood at any time. Friends and family, hit the thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe, and get notified with the release of the next video in this series. I promise this conversion is getting to another level. Thank you for watching, and see you in a little bit.